Hello. Today I'm working in an old piano and I found out that the three dampers are stuck together. I took a better look at it and they were stuck together with a candle wax. Then I had to go under the dampers and I found out the candle wax was also there, not on the dampers, on the lower part of the damper. My job now is to take the candles out of the dampers, so they will be running free. No candle stuck in between them. This is why we don't put candles on our pianos. Then we have a problem like this. If you are new here, my name is Davíð. If you enjoy this video, subscribe for more videos like this. Then I took the dampers out of the piano, the three who were stuck together, and I am just going to take the wax off them so they will work good again. So I have to cut the wax away and shape it a little and put them together again into the piano. I did it with a knife, and at the end of the video I was using the sandpaper to shape it off. Something was left. If you have a problem like this, you have to be very careful about how you're cutting the felt on the dampers. I have to remove every wax on the three dampers. This is a lot of work I have to do to take the candle wax away from the dampers. Here I'm taking the candle wax off the dampers to clear it all, so it's gonna fit well together when I put it together. It's not good to have candle wax inside the pianos. Here is how much candle I have been taking off of the dampers from the lower part and hover it away from the piano. If you have some questions, comment below and I will answer you. Then I put the dampers to their position, tight it together and find out how they are working now. And you see they are now working well and they are not stuck together.